Hello everyone, this is Anita. Welcome to my video. This is going to be my first video for the new year. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope everyone is having a blessed and prosperous new year. Okay, today I'm going to show you a tool from within the Webull app. Webull is an app that you can use to start your investing journey and learning how to trade stock. It has all types of tools, but the tool I'm going to talk about today is the simulation tool. That's where you can go in, pick the type of apps that you would really like to purchase and invest your money in, and using what they call fake money. You know, it's simulated. So far I've chosen $359.50 worth of stock, and it helps me to choose the best stock for me without the risk. So if I'm also allowed to choose these stocks without any risk, it makes me feel better whenever I'm deciding which one would be the best for me to invest my money in. So guys, jump on that Webull application. All you have to do is click the link at the bottom of this video if you're on YouTube, or click the link at the top of this video if you're on Facebook. Download the app. Go through the application process. It might take a day or two for you to be approved, or once you're approved, then you can go in and start using that simulation application. And also, they'll give you a free share of stock to get you going. So that's the real money part of it. Every time you share this opportunity with someone, you'll get a free stock, and that person will also get a free stock. And the value goes up to, let's see, for this particular app, it goes up to $1,000. So you can get a value of stock from anywhere from $3 to $1,000, and your referral bonus goes up to $1,000. So once you reach $1,000, then you can no longer refer any more people. But that is absolutely wonderful. Where else can you get $1,000 for free? And I also have two other apps that I love to use and help me invest in the market. Is Stash Invest and Robinhood. And with both of those apps, you can get up to $500 worth of free referrals. $500 worth of free stock whenever you refer someone to the app. And once they have to make the download, and it's by invitation only. Okay, guys, I'm going to end this video. At the end of this video, will you guys please show me some love? If you got some value from this app, don't just watch the video and not like the video. If you got value, and don't show me no love, show me some love. Share the video, and let's continue to grow our financial community and continue to grow our knowledge. God bless you guys. Have an awesome day.